You don't really use a website. You negotiate trust with it. Ethical hackers like me don't see pages or buttons. We see requests, responses, and trust boundaries. This isn't a hacking tutorial. This is how hackers analyze websites to find real web security vulnerabilities before any exploit is even written. This is how we hackers see the web. People think hacking begins with tools. When hackers look at a website, we don't do everything at once. We move in layers. Part 1. Understanding how the website thinks.
I open the browser, not to browse, to study behavior. Network tab lights up, requests fly out, data comes back, login button, profile update, checkout flow. Every action reveals logic. I'm not looking for bugs yet. I'm learning rules. What gets sent, what stays hidden, what never changes. Because once I understand the rules, I know what happens when I stop following them.
The browser shows me what the website hopes I'll do, but knowing the rules isn't enough. The real question is, does the server actually enforce them? That's where part 2 begins. Interception proxy, testing trust. Once I know the rules, I slow the system down. I step between the browser and the server. Every request pauses. Every response waits. Now I'm not guessing. I'm asking questions. Does the server verify this, or does it just trust the client? Most websites trust too much, and trust is fragile. If one request can be modified, similar requests usually can too. That's when patterns appear, and patterns always lead somewhere. Once trust is tested, one truth becomes clear. If a website fails in one place, it often fails in places you're not even looking at. That's why hackers move to Part 3, Recon and Mapping, what the website forgot. A single page is never the real target, so I zoom out. Subdomains branch out. APIs quietly respond. Not everything is meant to be seen, but if it's exposed, it's part of the surface. Hackers don't rush payloads. We expand visibility. Because the weakest point in any system is usually something everyone forgot existed.
Forgotten code still runs.
Exactly. In this video, you saw all 3 layers, but each part goes much deeper. Part 1 exposes logic. Part 2 reveals broken trust. And Part 3? That's where the most dangerous bugs hide. This is how hackers see a website. Not pages, not buttons, but conversations, rules, trust boundaries. Tools don't create vulnerabilities. Assumptions do. Learn to see the web this way, and you'll never browse casually again. Think like a hacker. Build like a defender. If you are unaware about the channel, watch this intro video on your screen.